Page 101. Exercise 5. Listening comprehension. Listen to the conversations. Check the ailment. Conversation 1.
I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Oh, that's too bad. You should take something.
I know. Thanks.
Conversation 2.
What's wrong?
I have a backache.
Really? A backache? You should lie down.
Good idea.
Conversation 3.
I really don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a stomachache and a fever.
A stomachache and a fever?
Yes, I feel terrible.
I'm so sorry to hear that. You should see a doctor.
Conversation 4.
Bless you. Are you okay?
Sorry, I have a cold.
You should take something.
You think so?
Yes, poor thing.
Conversation 5.
What's wrong?
I have a sore throat.
Well, you should have some tea.
Good idea.
Conversation 6.
What's wrong?
I have a toothache.
What? You have a headache?
A toothache.
A toothache? Ow, you should see a dentist.
Okay.